Hi, what's up everyone? In this video, we are going to talk about the top best drones for boating you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Welcome to the fascinating world of drone-powered boating. In this video, we go on an adventure to find the greatest drones to enhance your maritime experiences. Drones may take your boating experience to new heights, whether you're an avid sailor, a determined fisherman, or a leisure seeker enjoying the broad waters. These adaptable flying friends offer a plethora of possibilities, from capturing magnificent overhead photographs of your yacht cruising through the waves to assisting in fishing expeditions and monitoring the surrounding waters. Join us as we set sail to discover the best drones for boating adventures like never before. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5. DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo. The DJI Mavic Air 2 is an excellent drone for under $1,000 that provides an ideal balance of image capability, stability, and safety features. Its camera has a quad Bayer design to create high-resolution 48MP images and smooth 4K HDR films. The drone's small size allows it to fit into most camera bags, and it has advanced safety features such as object detection and avoidance. The Mavic Air 2 works admirably, with a flight length of up to 34 minutes on a fully charged battery. Its revamped remote control links to your phone and maintains a consistent connection with the drone. Despite certain restrictions in video profiles and app-based editing, the Mavic Air 2 is the editor's choice for high-quality drones under $1,000. Pros of DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo. Superlative battery life. Strong image and video quality. Obstacle detection and avoidance. Cons of DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo. Video profiles limited to standard and flat. App-based editing limited to 1080p output. Remote omits EV control wheel. On number 3. DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. The DJI Mavic 2 Zoom is a high-end consumer drone with a 2x optical zoom lens that is suitable for aerial photographers who need to get closer to their subjects than drone laws allow. While its 12MP 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor does not equal the image quality of the Mavic 2 Pro, it nevertheless shoots amazing raw stills and video. The folding design and smart flight modes from DJI add to its appeal, making it one of the most flexible and best consumer drones on the market. The drone's tiny and lightweight chassis, as well as its simple interface for camera operation, contribute to its ease of use. Despite some minor drawbacks, like as the fixed aperture and noise difficulties over ISO 100, the Mavic 2 Zoom is a wonderful alternative, particularly for people who want an optical zoom lens for recording professional footage and photographs from a safe distance. Pros of DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. Impressive image quality. 24 to 48mm optical zoom lens. Foldable design. Cons of DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. Comparatively small 12MP sensor. Fixed f/2.8 aperture. Noise is problematic above ISO 100. On number 2. Parrot PF7280000 ANAFI drone. The Parrot ANAFI is a small and portable drone that prioritizes size and portability. It costs $699 MSRP and has 4K video capture with HDR and a 3x digital zoom lens. The tiny and folding form of the drone, combined with USB charging, makes it ideal for on-the-go travelers. Despite the fact that it is made of lightweight plastic and carbon fiber, some users find it flimsy. The drone does not identify obstacles, but it does include GPS and return-to-home features for safety. Its companion software, Parrot FreeFlight 6, gives you control over the camera settings and provides a seamless video stream. Innovative features like upward gimbal tilt and hyperlapse distinguish the ANAFI from its competitors in the tiny, 4K-capable drone industry. Pros of Parrot PF7280000 ANAFI drone. 4K video with HDR. 3x digital zoom lens. Upward gimbal tilt. Cons of Parrot PF7280000 ANAFI drone. Digital zoom cuts into 4K quality. Requires smartphone. Construction feels a little flimsy. On number 1. DJI Mavic 3 Classic, DJI RC. The L2D20C aerial camera from Hasselblad has been fitted into the tiny space of the Mavic 3 series, ensuring professional-grade imaging capability with 5.1K HD video and 4K/60 FPS oversampled images. For safe and worry-free flights, the drone has a maximum flight time of 46 minutes and omnidirectional obstacle detecting utilizing APAS 5.0. The shooting possibilities are expanded with a 15 km HD video transmission range, steady signals, and crystal-clear 1080p/60 FPS feed. The advanced RTH feature on the Mavic 3 Classic calculates and executes an optimized path back home, giving pilots peace of mind. It includes the DJI RC remote controller, the DJI Fly app, and a 5.5-inch HD display for good viewing even in direct sunshine. Furthermore, the Waypoint Flight feature allows for automatic and precise flight itineraries along pre-selected aerial sites. So guys, this was the video about the best drones for boating. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.